Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back. Welcome back to it's Monday. I was about to say Furniture Friday just because we're doing Furniture Mod today, but there is a reason why I'm doing Furniture Mod. Oh, what the heck? There is a reason why I'm doing Furniture Mod today, and that is because I need to improve the modern TV ASAP. And what I mean by that is a lot of people don't understand how it kind of works, and they keep saying they're having a problem, but the most likely cause of their problems is because the GIF is over 2 megabytes in size. So what we've got to do is create like some sort of feedback to the user if something goes wrong, because right now it seems to be the problem. Hey boy, PUBG tournament is going on right now. Wait, what? When was PUBG tournament going on? Hold on, let me double check this. What's going on? Announcements. What the heck? The tournament will be tomorrow, as I'll not be here today. Oh my god! Well, rest in peace. Because I can't join right now. I've already started Furniture Mod livestream. We should have done it properly on the, like, if I'm gonna do it, I would do it next. I'm gonna do it next Saturday. Oh, this Sunday. Oh, my time Sunday. Your time Saturday. I think we should leave it until next week because of the whole gun mod update, and I haven't updated bazookas yet, and they're OP still, and everybody complained about it last time. So anyway, I'm gonna switch over to here. We're gonna get straight into this today. Hopefully you guys are excited for this live stream. I'm gonna mention this again because some of you guys might not have been here last week, but I actually might be switching over to Twitch for all my live streaming. Twitch, my dudes. So, I'll let you know, what's happening and everything. I'll keep you guys up to date. So, if you follow the live streams, I'll tell you on here. But if you want to know, maybe even before I mention it on the live streams, or maybe you don't watch the live streams as much as you do, just like follow me on Twitter or something like that, and I'll post stuff over there as I know, when I know new information is coming. It is Twitch, my dudes. Please accept my or before making too many changes, Crayfish. What did you do? What did you do? Pull requests. Many improvements to the mod version 3. Alright, let's have a look. Updated land boxes use custom ray tracing, slide and door render boxes much cleaner. Updated the hardness and resistance for some blocks. Added the ability to render wireframe bounding boxes. Alright, I'll check it out, because the last time we did a patch, it broke servers, so I'll check it. Fix merge, uses reverted changes. Add custom ray tracing of more blocks. Remove testing code, fix basin rendering, fix captures not placing correct color, fix some recipes, added all wood variants for fire pits, fix small issue with image loader. What's that? Oh, that was mip mapping. Mip mapping? Wait, what's that for? Oh, animated texture. Byte.size. Oh, okay, interesting. Welcome. Hey, Minecraft Doodler. New member. I actually figured out, like, I kind of realized maybe why they changed it from sponsors to members. Because, like, think about, like, more legitimate sponsors. Like, you'd be like, oh, this company sponsored my live stream. You know, this company is sponsored. So you can't be like, I want to thank my sponsors, and I also want to thank my sponsors. So, like, there's a bit of confusion there. It's like, I want to thank my sponsors, but I also want to thank my sponsors. Thank you, my God, dude, for another month of sponsoring. That will most likely be a last month. Oof. You might not have the gold claw anymore. Let's have a look. Oh no, he has the gold claw. He has the gold claw still. Alright. What else did you do? Added cut log recipes, modified recipes. What did you do? Modified the recipes. Concrete. Ah, okay. I see. I see. Oh, didn't I not have a counter recipe for the sing? Okay. Renamed triggers. Oh. I was kind of hoping for people to be able to see the new sliding door box. Alright, let me, I'll check it out instead of, I'm not going to merge it, but I'm just going to check it out. Should switch. Oh my God, why does it do that? There's no lock. Is there like a lock file? Why does it keep coming up with half of this stuff? A lock file already exists in a repository which blocks this operation from completing. Alright, hold on, let me go ahead. Hold on, that might be some sort of file that didn't get deleted. Just completed 6 challenges in 1 solo match. Nice. Fortnite. Fork knife. Fork knife. What's the point of building forts you going night night? Have you guys seen that video? You guys seen that? Fork knife. Fork knife. What's the point of building forts you going night night? Where's this lock file? Why am I getting locked out of like my own repo? So I can switch to that. I can switch to that. Open. A lock file already exists in the repository. Let's have a look. Git. Is that it there? I still want to delete it just in case it's like important. Just search lock. I don't know if that's it. People are saying like that's supposed to be it there. I don't know why the GIFs won't load up on both TVs. That's why I'm trying to improve it, because most likely I don't know how to say universe. You're loading a GIF that's larger than 2 megabytes, but you don't know because there's no feedback. Why is it locked? Why is it locked? There we go. Work now. It doesn't even make sense. Why does it do that? Alright. Cray, add YouTube support. No, I'm never adding YouTube support. Actually, I'm gonna ignore that. Don't ask why not. because I'm never adding it. I'm not gonna give my reason. I give my reason every single day for the past 10 years on why I'm not adding it. Not really, but I've said it a lot. Cray, I need help whenever I put Minecraft in full screen and it glitches. It's not my fault. I don't know. Do you see the picture of the if I sits on Twitter? Yeah, I did see that. I think I saw something about it. Somebody said it. I love the changes in the mod. Thanks, Wolf, please. Hi, Cray. Just saying this. Just saying, I'm so happy when you uploaded your world template. I started building right as the video was published. Thank you, Cray. Yo, what up, Craft now? Glad you like the map. I asked you guys ages ago, like, if you wanted to see that, and a lot of people wanted it. Like, I don't want to give up my own world. Like, people are just lazy. Large downloads, and probably security issues, copyright infringement, etc. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's a bug with the cabinets as well where they're not saving correctly, so I gotta look into that too. I'm pretty sure they're actually the right color. Oh no. Nah, they get reset. Alright, I gotta look into that. I'm not sure why that's doing that, but I'll look into it. Yeah, everything else. Was that orange? I don't remember that being orange. We'll look into it. I did register the digital clock. Didn't I? Yeah, I did. Okay. Okay, so the color is being set. Yeah, I have to look into that. I'm not sure why it's getting overridden. Weird. Weird. Look at the Christmas tree. What's it, Chris? Where's Chris? Oh, wow. That's crazy. Wait, how's it doing that? How's it doing that? What did you do to it? And the bar stool. What are you doing? I know, wireframe. What is this? Render events. Ah. I see. Got like a nice rendering thing. Oh yeah, whoa. That's cool. You did like... What type of accuracy did you do on this? You did like exact accuracy on this. You know what could be done because Phylogeny did something like this where he got the actual quads from the text from the actual model and then turned it into like a hitbox. So it could potentially be that like the collision, like we could dynamically create the collision and hitboxes by using the current like model that's being rendered. I tried, but it won't work for collisions. Oh yeah, yeah, no, it won't work because of server side. Yeah, collisions won't work, but selection boxes, yeah. We could do it for selection boxes, but for collision boxes, no. Alright, that kind of sucks, but whatever. What mods did you have when you cleaned up your map to upload it? I can't load it without heaps of errors, and I'm not talking about the bridge. I've got to fix up some. I've got to update the maps today at some point because I forgot to remove some world, some data in the NBTs relating to Forge. And then when like Forge loads up a world, it freaks out because it's like, why do these exist but the world doesn't contain it or something? So, I gotta look into it. Add it more modern for ceiling lights? What do you mean? I mean, I like this, but like now it's like very inconsistent with the rest of the mod. Like I like this, but I want it to be for like everything at this point now. I want it to be for everything, so we'll have to look into that. Because I know how to, yeah, I know how to get the baked quad, and then you just gotta convert it. Convert it all to a thingo. It doesn't support rotations, and check out the fire pits. You can get the quads for a certain state, by the way. You can get the quads for a certain state. So you can, like, you don't have to know anything about the model. All you gotta know is what the quads are, and then render an outline on all the quads. And then obviously change that in the thing. We'll add that to the selection boxes thing. I'd rather just do boxes manually, to be honest. The problem with doing them manually is for every single piece of furniture we add in, we got to do it all again. Whereas if we had a system where it does it automatically, then like every piece of furniture, even new ones that have lots of elements, you're basically redefining all the boxes again. Especially ones that have rotations. Like this can all be generated automatically through code rather than defining each rotation. You're basically recreating the model. You're fine with that? Well, that's bad. That's just too much work, because like you're basically making me work more now that we've got this new system. So I'd rather develop something that's gonna work automatically and not have to deal with creating all these boxes and rotations. And I also don't want to be dependent on you working on the mod and doing that, because this still is my like own solo kind of project, but I still accept PRs. Din blocks, do you remember me now? I'm gonna say no, but I remember you from now on because your username's kind of cool. If you change your username around, I won't know. Yeah, what up, Billy Place? Can you make smoothies in the blender in this mod? Yes, you've been able to do that for a very long time. Alrighty. Let's get on to this modern TV and what's going to be changing. Oh yeah, chopped wood. Looks so weird. Alright, you can't do that, that's cool. That's cool, I like that. Alright, so what we're going to do is ignore... Ocelot, the only thing is I don't want to... fine, we'll make it, because I was going to push an update today for it. The only problem with your... The problem with your PR is that it adds in stuff, and I don't want to add in stuff. So I'm going to save it. It shouldn't... Like, I should still be able to merge it later on, because I'm not going to be touching anything. And if there is, you can just update the conflicts. Modern sliding door. Alright, let's have a look at your work. Where is it? There. Alright. Oh, wow. That's nice. Oh, and it can be hit from anywhere too? Is that right? Oh. What's with this? Was that intentional? Oh, that's cool. I do kind of like that, to be honest. Then again, the problem with that is that now I can't... Oopsie. The problem with that is that, for instance, here... I'll have to look into that. The problem with that now is I can't interact through the doors. I don't know. Maybe there can be a config option, if that's possible. By default, it's off. If you can add a config option where it's by default off, that'd be cool. Because then everybody gets the best of both worlds. Anyway. You should add a lighting ceiling lights. What do you mean lighter ceiling lights? Lighter ceiling lights. What? Add the config and I can add support. Oh yeah, we gotta do the config. Alright. So switch back around. So what I want to do is in the we need to have where is it? Tile entity. Tile entity TV loaded. We're gonna have this. Side only. Cause yeah, I need to update some of these so they're side only. Cause like these ones are used in side only, loaded, side only, I'm pretty sure. Just double check. Yep, side only. TE is loaded. Side only. So a lot of these can be cut from the server side, but we'll make sure it still works, don't worry. Stretch stays, URL stays. I think it might be the loops to populate the texture. Also, I get lag when the TV loads. Oh yeah, no, I've got to do some optimizations. I want to make sure I do all file IO on a separate thread. Right now, it's kind of happening on the main thread, which I need to fix up. So I'm going to fix that up so it doesn't do it on other stuff. Alright, so what I want to do is this, obviously not there, this dot result equals result. Do that. We'll also need a get result. Make that side only. Because we'll need to do something like is loaded. We'll also say nullable. Nullable on that. What's Army BTS? Why are you spamming that? I don't know what's going on. Is this like a raid or something? YouTube raids never happens. There's no such thing as a YouTube raid. But please don't spam. Hey Cray, can you make it where the glass wouldn't be connected to the furniture? One question, someone said you are a Minecraft designer. I don't know, I just create mods. I'm not like I don't develop the official game or anything like that. If that's what you're asking me. Hey boys, I'll time him out if you're spamming. He's on the job. Hey Cray, what's up? Yeah, what up Blue Barracuda? How you doing, my dude? I don't know what you guys are on. Album, BTS, and Boom version 3. What? I don't know. Can we keep it on topic? Because you guys just spammed random stuff and I don't know what it is. Korean song group. Oh, well that's pointless. Hides in trash can from mods. Doing good. How about you? I'm doing good. I actually kind of woke up with a bit of a headache. This morning, so that's kind of why the stream was delayed a bit in terms of starting, because I was just like, ugh, but I feel a bit better now. Cray, this is a great idea, make an air conditioner. How's it work? Tell me about it. I don't know. What coding program is that? IntelliJ idea. IntelliJ idea. So we'll say TV renderer. Say else if t dot. Let's say else if t dot get result doesn't equal to null, and t dot get result doesn't equal to what type is that? Image. Doesn't equal to success. Oh no. Yeah. I don't know. We could do it like that. If it doesn't equal to success. Basically I want to do something like, hey, let's make sure we translate. I'm facing. We might need these. And then let's go sign tile entity sign renderer. Renderer, whoopsie. Draw string. Draw split string. Bruh. Something didn't work. Not official, but don't worry about that for now. I think it's like 4 pixels per pixel. So we'll figure that out in a second. Text color. I don't know. Whatever that is. Alright, so let's try this now. YouTube means make the ceiling lights brighter. Ceiling lights can't be brighter and more modern than what they currently are. I could probably change it to white instead of yellow, because white is more of a modern, like white tone is more modern than yellow looking. Like in terms of the model, not anything else. PUBG tomorrow. Can't do it on a Tuesday, everybody's asleep. That's why I do it on weekends. I can't download the recipe API. I mean, if you're meaning like PUBG as in development, I can do it tomorrow, but I'm also gonna be having, if I'm gonna be switching to Twitch or anything like that, I'm most likely oh no, actually I don't need to kind of change my schedule up. Yeah. Oh no, that's fine. I was gonna for a second there. Alright. Just gonna create a new word. Alright, so 1.12 map. I don't know why, but like my map download, it's so annoying. I have to look into it. I think it's something to do with tile entities and I have to fix it up. What's going on here? New notification. Facebook. What is it? Go away, Facebook. No, I don't want memories! Go away, Facebook. PUBG development? Yeah, okay. Alright. TV. Where you at? I know it's gonna go wrong. Alright, let's try GIFs. Alright, let me get a GIF. That will most likely crash. Alright, let's try this one. Oh no, it worked. Maybe this one. Oh wow, no, I'm not doing that one. Yeah, maybe not that one. I'm trying to find GIFs that are like safe for work. Bruh. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it does some weird stuff. Yeah, it like scales it like weird. See what happens if I do it there. Oh. I saw it. I think it has to be rotated as well. Did they rotate it? Scale. maybe scale. Hold on, let's have a look at my doormat renderer. Yeah, no, I didn't do anything like that. I kind of think I just did it myself. Scaled it. What did I scale it here? Let's copy that. Let's copy that too. Alright, there we go. Fudge. Where's the rotate happening? Let's just do like plus 180 onto that. Is that good, or is that... That's not going to show on the screen. I feel like it needs to be maybe done after it. Alright, there we go. We need to translate it. GeoC manager that translate t.get width. Does that work? Oh no, we just need to translate it without the... Alright, we need to translate it before the scale. Or we could potentially get rid of something. Oopsie. There we go. Probably something to do with the height. Get height. Bruh, something didn't work. What's white? RGB. Also, and if you also add a resize listener with the app that is being resized, that would be super amazing. Resize listener? What do you mean by resize listener? You mean like when you change layouts, or the bruh update? Because I need something like this so I can be like, hey, we'll say, just for, I'm not going to do it like this, but if t.getResult equals image download too large, I know, we'll do like a switch on the result. That'd be easier. Ignore the success. Alright, so say failed to download. Yeah. File linked URL is not a GIF. File GIF is add how to download GIF is larger. I'll say GIF is larger. Cannot load GIFs larger than 2, something like that. So what did it actually say? Yeah, there we go. Cannot load GIFs larger than 2 megabytes. What we're also going to do is let's copy that. I'm just going to spam this with eyes because what I want to do is see how that. So yeah, as you can see, it's a bit too wide. Yeah, we're just gonna do like a rough. Let's just make sure it's not rendering underneath. So how high can I go here? And that's probably my limit. Could probably put padding, but it's more so just for testing. Cannot load GIFs. Make it centered so it doesn't look bad when it's smaller than the edge. Can I do that? Renderer.draw. Damn it, you guys. Trying to make me do. So what's the scale of this right now? Trying to see if there's any sort of... I think it's like 3... Okay, so it's like 4 pixels. I mean, do I make it centered? What happens if I scale this down? What's half of this? Let's go centered. Alright, so I can do like list string lines equals renderer dot list formatted string to width. So we'd have to do something like string message equals maybe just an empty string. Message equals blah. We'll do this like, we'll also do this like with a lang file as well, so we can obviously have multiple languages. I could also as well put a key inside of the enum, so we don't have to even do this. All we have to do is just call the key. Sorry, message. Just say 88 for now. And then say like for int I equals 0, I is less than lines dot size, I++. We're using a traditional for loop because we need to know the position of it. Because we need to do some like things here, like I don't know, renderer get height, font height times I plus maybe like 2 times I. Let's get rid of that. Oh, let's get rid of that. Failed to, let's say failed to download. Sorry, that's supposed to say lines.get I. Alright, there we go. So the only problem is I don't really know what the width. Oh, we know it's 88. Hold up.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits, you can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong. And I've been counting days to get away, to see.
Hey guys, I'm still here. I'll be back in a second. My dad just rocked up to my house, so he's just doing some work on it. So I'll be back in a second. Just give me a couple of minutes, and we'll get straight back into it. All right? If you guys are enjoying the stream as well so far, make sure you guys remember to also snap the like button. I appreciate it a lot. Go over to my Twitter if you want to get a shout out and retweet it. But I'll be back in a second, guys. Thanks for waiting patiently. I appreciate all of you guys.
When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember. When I close my eyes, I can almost see it. When I take a breath, you fill up my lungs. And if my mind worked backwards just for a minute, I'd hold on to you before the memory's gone. I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember, I remember you, you lift my spirit. With you high is all I'm feeling. Remember how we felt alive. I remember you, you make me stronger. Can't go without it much longer. Remember, remember.
Hey guys, I'm back. How long have I been live for? An hour. Alright. I think we need to make the scale smaller. Alright. Then let's also add like a padding to it. I think it looks a little bit better. And let's also fix up the width. Just manually do it. I know there's probably a way to do it with calculations, but oopsie. Oh no, I'm not supposed to do that. Hold up. This can just be like render it a draw a string. I think straight up just color. Alright, let's keep that going. No, 120. A little bit more. 130. Oop, too far. 125. Maybe 126. Yeah, that's good. Alright, 126 is the deal. The modern TV for presentation should be called the Cray or television. Maybe. Alright, here we go. Nice. That looks a lot better now. TV should be able to load images. Yeah, I definitely want to do that. I think I'll add support in the future for images as well, because then you're not really like limited as well. You can do a lot of other stuff. Can't wait for the add-on eskies. Yeah, it's definitely going to be cool. Sorry I was gone for a while. But yeah, my dad came over and I don't want to make him feel bad. Alright, so that works. So that was a large. I want to have like a loading animation. Would be cool. Revolving doors. Alright, so for loading, I wanted to get like a static video. Oh my god, sorry. I'm so sorry, my dudes. Rip headphone use. If you want a loading animation, do like loading screen with a crab. It's not gonna like. I don't want anything crazy. By the way, the current cap is not 2 megabytes. Yeah, it is. The current cap is 2 megabytes. I did the calculations. What is the cap then? Try loading a GIF of size 1.6. You know, but I did, what's it, 2 megabytes. 2 megabytes to bytes. Uh, 1 megabyte. Or is that wrong? Hold up. What did I measure it in? Has long content lengths. Is that wrong? Isn't a byte 8 bits? Yeah. But like this is measured in bytes. 1 megabyte is 1 1,000, 1 million. Like, did I do it wrong? No. You know, that's 1 million. That's 2 million. It's this 1 megabyte is 1,048,576 bytes. And then times by 2, which equals that. Size, byte.size by 2k. I mean, I can do it but there's no point. I did notice you did it in yours, byte.size. Is that even a thing? Hold on. Might work there. Come on. I mean, yeah, you can do that. You know. I know, that's me wrong. Byte.size. How do I do? All it no. How do I? So it's 8. But no, I can't that's the value because all this. Let's have a look. Content length. What's the URL content length? What's the actual unit? What's the unit? Number of bytes. If I was gonna do it's the amount of bytes, that's 2 megabytes. If I'm gonna use the byte.size, I basically have to specify whatever amount of bits divided by byte.size. Or, I don't know what the opposite way around would be. I don't know. It's easier just to do it like this, and it's a final value, and it's 2 megabytes in a bytes. The amount of bytes. Bytes. Size divided by byte size. What's that? So 1. It's just 1. It's so weird. There's no point doing it. It doesn't make the code any better. But I could probably do that comment better. That's a bad comment. Alright.
While you and me repeat, this bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my
Can we do like paint.net? I'm pretty sure like you can do something like this and do effects, noise, add noise, color saturation 0, intensity a lot, coverage yes, but let's make the image smaller, like 32 by 32. Maybe slightly bigger. And let's repeat the noise a lot. So yeah, it's kind of our noise. Oh cool, it's going to be static on the TV. Yeah, I want to do something like that. Let's go file, save as animation. We'll just say static. 1. Could probably like... Right, how many times do we apply the noise? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be a different image. Hopefully, it has a different seed. Yeah, it is different. I'm only gonna do like 4 frames. Because no one's gonna care. Alright, animation creator. Let me just make sure. Where did I put that? Where did I put my animation creator? Mods, tools. Oh yeah, I know where I can find it. Alright, here we go. Load images. Fudge. $32 by 32. Wow, the noise function on paint.net's really bad. But oh well. I know it was 64 by 64. Alright. Please make the top part of the counter into an item. Please say yes. Why? Use one image and get random parts from the texture instead. How do you do that? Create a texture and randomize the texture chords. Rendering. Ah, yeah, that works. No, but I don't want to. Ah, yeah. We'll see. It works, I guess. Yeah, I know what you mean. Alright, so stop. Let's close. I know what you mean. We'll still have the 64 by 64. Oh yeah, we could do 256 by 256. Then it also allows me to make it dynamic for each TV too. Yeah, I like that idea. We'll also add more noise this time. More noise. Alright, let's add that. Hold on. Wonder how much, 54 kilobytes. Alright. And then we can do something like copy this TV renderer. I'll say noise texture noise.png. We've also got to fix up this because I need a maybe do something like if. So we need to do something first, like do this first. We'll say result equals t dot get result. If result doesn't equal to no and result doesn't equal to success, then we'll do that. And then we'll do like else. Get that out. Maybe something like if t is loaded. Something like this. Texture doesn't equal to no. I'll say bind. In texture ID. We'll do something like texture ID equals texture. Get texture ID. And we'll, we could say maybe the static. But that's something more like if I'm just like overthinking this right now. If texture it doesn't even like. Like, do I do that or do I just like, and then I do here instead do like Minecraft, but get Minecraft, get texture manager to bind texture noise. I might have to do it separately because I might have to do it separately because I don't want to add in all these like random if statements and blah 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 and all that. So that can stay. We can say if.t is loading, else if t dot is loaded. Do something like that. Like a texture to bind. Yeah, there is. Well, I said something. Man, he looked, ignored my comment, and read Ocelots. Only said, "Hey, Cray, how you going?" Just because I can't read all of them, dude. There's a lot of comments. And like, if I don't focus on coding, then I don't get any code done. If I focus on the comments, I don't get. Oh, if I focus on the comments, I don't get code done. If I focus on the code, I don't read as comments. But yeah, I'm looking there from time to time. What is at the end of the link? Is there a .gif there? Yeah, I do it so people don't get confused on what it is. Like, I don't want people to be, like, suspicious of what it is. Like, I want people to know that these are just GIFs in this file, because if we actually take a look here... let me just delete... Whoa, that could have been, not safe for work. Let me just delete those. But yeah, if you go into here, right... it just comes up as like an actual image so people know what it is. Shouldn't there be kitchen sink block with drawers as well? I mean, it makes sense. Ooh. Ooh. Confirm Cray looks at unsafe work gifts on TV Minecraft. No, okay. Chill. I went to GIFs on Google Images. Alright. I had to be the I had to be the first. I had to be the first. I mean, they're not bad, but like they're not safe for like the stream. Like there was like blood. And there's like scary ones as well, but there's other stuff as well. Not explicit, alright? There's no explicit ones. The FBI will see your browser history. FBI, stop right where you are. Yeah, I don't know how exactly... I don't know, do I do something like this? I don't know if I do it separately. Do I have to do like the this after every time I bind the texture? Alright, so let's have a look. Yeah, we could do something like this. Start X. That's to do with. Yeah, it's gonna be different because like these need to be like randomized. Alright, whatever. Copy like that. I don't even know what rescale. What is this? What's rescale normal? I don't know what it is. I've seen people. It's been used like because I looked at online picture frame to get an idea of what it does in terms of rendering, but I'm so bad with graphics. I actually don't even know what it is. Pretty sure it means you can scale the normals. Okay, I probably don't need it then. For lighting, oh, I reckon. Oh, is this you? I never watched for some reason. It is in my recommendation. Dislikes what? I don't even know what you're talking about there, dude. So yeah, I need like that again, and then I need to just simply do the setup of the translations. And then I just need to do my own. Oopsie, no. Oopsie, nope. Copy. Then I just need to do that. Yeah, whatever. Cray, make it so the light and fan connect up. Maybe. We'll see. I sent problem. Ajax and the FBI IP checking agent is here. Alright, so I just need to make it so fudge. Start X, start Y. Oh yeah, that's fine. Texture. So we'll do like, we'll do it like here. What's that value? Oh, we're gonna make it an integer any. Oh no, we have to make it a double. UV. Sorry, U can be like. Do we have like access to a random in here somewhere? Get. Let's actually get random. Alright, I might have to go around random. Bum 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 bum. I made my first pull request ever yesterday. Congrats. What did you do it for? Private static final, whatever. Rand. So it's 256. So do 1.0 times 256. We're gonna do that. Oh, sorry. I would say double pixel scale is 1.0 divided by 256, sorry. Pixel scale, so that means 1 pixel. And then we're going to say a random UV coordinate. So we're going to do 256 t.get width. Just because we can't do it outside of it. Fudge. T. Okay, so do we need the scale? Because I don't want to I don't want to have the UV selecting something halfway between a pixel. Pixel scale. And more again and again. So I think it's that times rand next double oopsie times pixel scale int just to make sure. And then the V as well. And then it's just U V plus something. V plus something. V and then U plus something. So the plus 1 is not that. It's just going to be t.get height times pixel scale. Oops. Get width. So that should be the randomization now. Alright, let's give it a shot. Are you gonna expand your town Saturday because you better stop lying? Oh my god. Yeah, I've been meaning to do it. I most likely will do one this weekend. I'm just trying to figure out what building to do. Use better stream device mod in the next week. No, these pull request is for your furniture mod. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How long have we been streaming for? Hold up, 2 seconds guys, hold up. Hold up, Dad. Hey, sorry. Just saying goodbye to my dad. Alrighty. TV. Alright, let's get a GIF. This one looks cool. Well, it shouldn't load. Whoa! That rendered too big. It's because we forgot to shrink that. Yeah. Alright, let's try something else. I don't know what that is, but we'll try. Oh, that's a JPEG. Was that a JPEG? Oh yeah, we might have to, whoopsie, in our loading thing we have to say load URL this dot result equals null, otherwise it won't come up with it. Let's try something else. Ah, looks cool. It's a cat. It's a cat. Aww. I didn't really, yeah, the loading didn't work that well. Let's go ahead and let's force it to if false. If true. Huh. Why is it not randomizing? I want to times it by 2. But why is it not randomizing? Next. Why is it not randomizing? Apparently it's getting like... it's because I'm converting it to an int. So let's leave it as that. Ah, there we go. Kind of. We need to convert something to an integer here. I think it's this actually. Convert that to an int. Yeah, there we go. That's trippy. We need a warning. We need the flippin' epilepsy warning on this. Need an epilepsy warning on this. Maybe we can not make it as harsh. Needs epilepsy warning, Cray. Maybe we could tone it down and do like... Please fix us. Hey, Emerald for Cray fix. See you later, Ocelot. Thanks for coming along, my dude. That's cool. Let's try that other TV. It's a horror movie. Maybe if it was bigger, it might work though. So let's go double scaled. Width is like t.get width times 4. Maybe if it was bigger, it wouldn't look as harsh. Because right now it's like pretty harsh on the eyes. So if I do something like that. Yeah, it's not as harsh now. That's cool though. Do not play Minecraft at 3 AM, my dudes. Do not play Minecraft at 3 AM. This could happen to the TV. Alright? Something's gonna jump out of it. Just a clear warning. You should put little number in the top right. Maybe. When I asked something about the kitchen sink with the drawers, but you said the answer was oh? I didn't say anything. What do you mean? What do you mean oh? I said oh. Like, kind of like a reaction. Like, oh. It's just like a reaction. It's kind of like, oh. When someone says, oh. That was kind of what I was meaning. Oh. It was just like my deep voice says, oh. Instead of, oh. Oh, no, I say oh sometimes. It's kind of like, oh, I get it. Oh, I should probably do that. That's what I mean. Wait, what's this? Explain to me why my son is on a video getting help with his math. I don't know. You tell me. He's 6 years old and that's not nice to help him with his homework. He needs to be taught by a teacher, not online. Hey, wow. Cool. Accusing me. I don't know. You control your son. It's not his fault he's on my stream. But minus that last minus that last word. Minus that last word. I don't go around to people's streams saying they're pedophiles, alright? So I don't know who you are, but timing you out. Would you rather him let's not let's get off that. Wait. I'm just gonna blame your bad parenting. Why is he even on a phone or a laptop doing his math homework? It's like... it's funny. Why are you on Netflix? I'm contacting Netflix to ask him why my son's on Netflix. Why is he not doing his work? I'm blaming YouTube. We should sue YouTube for ruining careers at school. I'm gonna just guess it was a troll, but I'm just gonna make fun of it right now. Like, I'm not gonna blame my son. He's a perfect son. He's an A grade student, alright? I'm blaming YouTube. It's addictive. We should sue YouTube. Sounds like you're one of those people that are like, get off my lawn. Please, English only in the chat. Are you going to do modding tutorials for 1.13 when it comes out? Yes. Alright, let's test if this works now. Alright, let's remove the forced rendering. It's just my internet's too fast. My internet's too fast. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, there we go, it did work. Yeah, cool. Also, I might slow down the speed as well. Let's also try and get one that's gonna break. I want one to break. Oh yeah, There's kind of a glitch in the decoder, and there's like not really a lot I can do about it. Because like, decoding GIFs is not a simple task. I just don't think they support everything properly. From what I've seen. What's this? What's that? What the heck? URL is not a GIF. Of course it's not. Money? Trying to find some gifts to use. Ah, soothing zen. No! Let me get a decent GIF. Alright, let me get some better one. Oh my god. What the heck? How's your day going, everyone, including the Cray dev dude? Yeah, what up, Night Plays? My day's going good. Started off with a bit of a headache, but I'm good now. Oh my god. Let me find some more.
I'm left behind, obeyed the light, but always a gone. Euphoria at the bottom line, I lie afraid.
Come on, where's some gifts that are half decent? Bye guys, I can't wait till this update comes out. Please soon. Oh my god, let's see if this loads. Oh, it did. Oh my god. It's too fast. Ah. Oh no, it doesn't work. No. Oh no. GIFs are such a bad format. Let's try this one. Oh no. That's glitched. Yeah, it takes a while to actually find one that works. Oh, that's cool. The frame rate can't be like... the frame rate can't be adjusted. Maybe it can actually. Oh no, maybe it can actually, yeah. I'll look into it. Why is it glitched? There's some GIFs that don't work. There's kind of... The problem with GIFs is there's not just like one format. There's so many different types of formats, and apparently my GIF decoder, even though it only allows the supported formats, isn't decoding it correctly, so not exactly sure what's going on. I mean, that's pretty cool. Oh, we need the Gandalf one. What's that one? No, it's too fast. We need the epic sax now. Where's the epic sax? I'll have to do a video of that. I just need that repeated for 10 hours. Hey, this is the father of my Jake, my 6-year-old. Did my wife bother you at all? She is over here yelling at me like I did something wrong. I don't know why you guys are coming to me. This is YouTube. You come to YouTube to watch videos. If your son went to YouTube to watch videos, that's all he's simply doing. I live stream programming of a game called Minecraft where I add in mods into the game. For example, what you're seeing right now, I've added in a modern TV. It seems like your son has just simply come to my stream and decided to watch me add in things like this. Don't blame me for your problems. Get the remote, mum. I'm not telling you how to run your life, but will YouTube videos be added to the TV? No. Alright. That's probably the best step I give. You should add a GIF speed adjustment. Yeah, I will. Don't worry. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Alright, we need to find some that aren't gonna load. I want some that aren't gonna load. Oh, this one's slower, kind of. Let's have a look. Oh no, I think this is the one. The one that... Beep, 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 beep. I'm doing a Reddit post on that, by the way, guys. One day I see Cray does a video of modern TV where he watches this video on YouTube with a modern TV. Yeah, it's not gonna happen. Oh yeah, sounds cool. I'll talk to my wife about it and calm her down. I'll be honest, she's a bit knocked up in the head. I can take care of it, thank you. Alright. Whatever, Joe. Yeah, it's kind of a weird situation. I don't know why you would come onto the stream and accuse someone of being a pedophile when I simply just live stream programming content, programming Minecraft mods. This is YouTube. Chill, he's busy working and playing and testing the TV. He can't read comments at the same time. Do you remember me, Mr. Crayfish? I'll remember you from now on. Alright. Bam. Beep, 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 beep. I got accused of being a pedo simply because some mum caught her son on a stream of me developing Minecraft mods. He looks more like he is jamming to the music being played now. Oh yeah, probably. Alright, what are we gonna do now? How long have we been live streaming for? Almost 2 hours. 4 minutes off. Alrighty. So I'm trying to get a GIF that doesn't load. Oh, let's try a GIF that's. Let's try an image that's not even a. Let's just say. Let's get a Minecraft image. Yeah. URL is not a GIF. Alright, cool. Oops. Alright, we might have to make the width thing dynamic. Oh yeah, whoops, we're gonna get rid of that. So apparently 126 is 126 equals te.getWidth take 2. Times something equals 126. So we can work out that actually. What's that x value gonna be? It's gonna be 126 divided by 126 divided by I just want to figure out what the kind of scale is. What's the scale? So the width is 22. So 20. What is that? Calculator. 6.3. Okay. Feels. So can we say te.getWidth take 2 times 6.3 Oopsie, sorry. Yeah, there we go. That works. Value came out of nowhere, but so look, I released and sent the link to the video showing you how to make spawnings. I'll check it out later, I don't know. Alright, there we go. Alright. We'll just say something like, oh no, we need to test if it loads up on servers. That's one thing I always forget, just to see if it works on startup. Startup, it's been so common that my mod doesn't run on startup, so kind of running on startup right now. I release, I never read that. 2 plus 2 is 3. I'm gonna have to argue on that. That's not correct. I'm gonna argue that's not correct. Alright. Because what I'm thinking is to do the animation speed, all that we've got to do is inside of, because in animated texture here we do like Yeah, the problem is we have like a we have to have a texture ID for every TV then. A texture ID for every TV. Mind you, we could probably still have one texture. One texture per thing. It's just going to be updated a lot. Because like, if we bind and then we render, yeah. Yeah, it should work. Alright, so yeah, it did start up, okay. How do you get face cam? Webcam. Get a webcam. Alright, so let's say improved TV. Improved TV interaction. Added static. So improved TV experience. Yeah, it's kind of, yeah. Improve the TV experience. Frame. Okay, I'm not gonna do. I always like to keep my streams like to 2 hours. I like to keep them to 2 hours, otherwise they kind of get a little bit too long. So can we keep the chat chill? You added me on Skype. Wait, what? Can we chill here with the chat? I don't know what you guys are talking about. If you got issues, talk about it somewhere else, not in my chat, please. Oh yeah, let's just forget that 8 hours one. You gotta, okay. Every stream besides Wednesday and Friday has a time limit to it. The thing is, I don't want to stream for too long, because if I stream longer, it means I don't have as much time to work on a video for the main channel. You guys know this is my second channel. It's different to my main channel. So, I am going to push this update tonight, so everybody knows, like, you know, so everybody knows there's, like, because everybody's been saying oh wow, I'm not even care. I've never seen you around here. What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Oh, you know, I think the problem with the whole, yeah, even the texture ID. Get texture ID. I think if you try to update generate texture, oh no, it might update automatically. Yeah, I'm not sure how that works exactly, but I think that should update it. Yeah, I don't know. I made a vanilla version of your map and fix it up if you want it. If it's the 1.12 version, I'll fix it up myself. The problem is that, like, when you load it up with Forge, it has like all these extra stuff in the NBT. And I think why it got rid of the some of the blocks is because they have like NBT in it, but I don't know. I'll look into it. Hey Crayfish, how have you been? Nice to see you again, because I had to work a lot. That's alright, Jawless for you. Glad to see you back. Yeah, I've been doing good. Woke up with a bit of a headache, but I'm doing good now. Had a coffee, that fueled my coding. If you guys don't know, coffee equals code. Alright, let's have a think. Oh yeah, convert these to a lang. Convert that to a lang. Otherwise, might be a problem. Let's say CFM error. We can do CFM TV. What are type of errors? Failed. Failed. Oopsie, sorry, no. CFM TV dot failed. Failed to download file. And then the last one is too large. Alright. And then what we're gonna do as well is in here we'll have a string key. We're actually going to provide the full. Success failed. Was it just unknown? Unknown 5. Too large. Alright, there we go. And now we can do something like message equals result. We can do something like i18n.format result get key, which makes that a whole lot smaller. Also reorder that. Makes that a whole lot smaller. Let's load it up. My one loads perfectly in 1.12 vanilla, and I fix all the roads. I think it's something to do with Forge. I think Forge like loads it up and recognizes that there's a tile entity that doesn't exist. Because like, how do I remove tile entities from the world? How do I strip all tile entities? I'll have to look into it. Maybe there's a way. Oh, it's the server. Whoops. Yo guys, chill, time you out. I already gave you a warning. If you got problems now, talk about it somewhere else. Can we keep the stream English only, please? C++ is bad? No, it's not, Sonny. I'm gonna leave for school. Bye, Cray. See you later, Carrot. Where is update for 1.13? What do you mean? It's not coming. Oh no, you're just joking. Where can you update to 1.6.4, please? Update to 1.6.4, please. Just add a sink with drawers and I'll be happy, mate. I'll see. Usually sinks don't have drawers, they have like... Yeah, alright. URL is not a GIF. I like that loading animation, looks cool. Alright, so what was the thing? Oh no, it works. If it's displaying it correctly, I'm gonna guess it works. We'll just double check. Double check this, so... Success. Oh, yeah, we didn't have a success one. We'll just do it just... Successfully... Like just because. Failed. Yep. Unknown file. Yep. Too large. Yep. Alright, so all the keys are correct. Alright, perfect. So yeah, it supports Lang. Is there going to be a Christmas update this year? Maybe. We'll see. Maybe I'll like... I don't know what I would add in, because I've already pretty much added in all the kind of Christmas furniture that you need. You have a Christmas tree, you have presents. You have a wreath, you have chimneys, you have candles, you have a grand chair, you have mantelpiece, you have a fire. I don't know, there's not really much more that I can add. Add cushions that are round like a disc. I'm tempted to, someone suggested like round carpet. I'm tempted to like add in that and just add in like a corner. Add in like a corner carpet that can be used with like the existing carpet. So you can create like a round looking piece of carpet would be pretty cool. Alright, so there we go guys. I think that fixes up the TV. Added Lang support for TV messages. So there we go, Lang support now supported for the TV, and everybody should start having a better user experience, because I've had so many people come to me saying TV doesn't work, and it's simply because the file's too big or the URL isn't a GIF. So this update should hopefully resolve it. Why do you need Obfuscate to run your gun mod and vehicle mod? Obfuscate allows me to change around the player model. Because if you notice when you're driving a vehicle or you're holding a weapon, you will notice your arms are in a custom position. And basically I had to develop a library so I could make all my mods compatible, because I can't just make one mod do it, and if I try to do it with the other mod, it will override the other mod's code. So if I have like a single mod that does it, then I can use that to depend on, and then it'll work. Let's have a look. Haven't looked at the Obfuscate page in a while. Obfuscate, how many downloads has it got? Probably has a lot. 170,000, because it's a library. I gotta clean up some things with it, but right now it's pretty good. I vote for round carpet as well. Yeah, I should do it, because I did. If you guys don't know, a little trivia. I actually had carpet in my mod ages ago. And the reason it got removed is obviously because of Minecraft adding in carpet. So I actually added in carpet before Minecraft did. But a round carpet would be cool, I reckon. Round carpet would be cool. Oh yes, I remember before Minecraft even added it. Can you add a new vehicle? Mr. Clavish, why you reject all my ideas the last video? What do you mean? I don't reject ideas. An idea is an idea. It doesn't mean I'm gonna add it. Also, I never seen it, so I didn't reject it. Although the drawers of a kitchen sink are not really drawers, they're more like cabinets. They're kind of doors that open up rather than drawers. Maybe we need to create like a different version that has like a door instead of a drawer. I think that would be good. Has a door instead of a drawer. Alright, so made some good improvements to the TV today, guys. If you haven't already, can you buy me Minecraft Premium? No. Buy it yourself. Save up pocket money. Do some jobs around the house. You don't get stuff for free. But if you guys enjoyed this stream today, make sure you guys remember to snap that like button right in half. For the people that weren't here straight away, we just basically improved the modern TV to be a better experience overall. So when you actually, you know, put in a file or something like that, it's not gonna, you know, if you don't put in a GIF, it's just gonna say URL is not a GIF. And stuff like file too large and so on. But thank you guys for coming along. Subscribe, hit the bell notifications. I'm going to go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts. Let's go shout out to Tyler. Let's have a look. Shout out to Tyler. Shout out to Cats Google. Cats Google. I'm going to go into the actual retweets right now. Shout out to DatDog Backer, Builderboy426, Samuel, Haunted Corpse, Stephanie Alves, Rue Neil, Wazlib, Bishop Jack, Fabi50, Skullstream, Billy Plays, Gaming with PJ, Squawkle, Aldo Varelli, Jackson Plays, Captain Ahmed, and that is it. Thank you guys for your support over on Twitter. This update, this kind of patch will be out tonight for you guys, so you can download it and it'll help you with the TV and whatnot. And it'll also look better because it has a static now, so that would be cool. But thank you guys for joining in today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet. I might be doing PUBG development. Might be doing PUBG development, might be doing device mod development, I don't know. I haven't worked on the device mod in a while. It's not abandoned or anything like that, it's just I need a break sometimes. I need a bit of a break sometimes. Did I seriously join right as the stream's ending? You did, unfortunately, my dude. You can just rewatch it. But thank you guys for joining in. I'll catch you guys later. Have an amazing Sunday night, Monday, wherever you are. And catch you later. Peace.